If you're an IT leader, I don't need to tell you how challenging it can be to fully support an advanced omni-channel contact center. But did you know that cloud-native offerings deliver several key benefits for IT staff? Many companies we work with love the fact that cloud-native solutions offer developer-friendly APIs and a broad ecosystem of third-party integrations across multiple applications to connect with CRM and marketing automation systems, among others. That lets IT teams focus on adding business value to their applications, rather than on testing and fixing the fragile integrations often present with on-premises or hosted solutions. It also solves another problem. With hosted solutions, companies can be locked into their hardware, including phones, to ensure everything works with their dedicated hosted infrastructure. That's not an issue for cloud-native services. Cloud applications are also built to run on the public internet, so they're specifically designed to route around network problems. And that lets software deal with everything from local ISP outages to jitter and latency to self-healing. Hosted solutions that essentially move on an on-premises system to the cloud were designed to operate on reliable LAN and WAN networks, rather than the wilds of the internet. With cloud-native solutions, customers can also instantly scale up or down, adding agents and other users as needed without the involvement of the service provider or even their internal IT staff. Pricing is then automatically adjusted based on which resources are subscribed to and the number of users online at any given time. In a hosted contact center model, the customer must usually reach out to the service provider for additional capacity or functionality. The provider then provisions the additional resources with the help of IT and adjusts the existing pricing to include the extra seats and maintenance costs. That process can take days to complete, and it adds to the total cost of ownership. Finally, business continuity and disaster recovery are much easier to achieve with a cloud-native solution. Hosted platforms are more likely to follow their on-premises counterparts and rely on an active failover server deployment for disaster recovery. Moving into a hosted model still means deploying in two data centers, a primary and a backup. The cloud-native architecture is designed to be distributed, so it can be in as many places as the provider needs it to be. This makes it extremely redundant and ensures agents can log in from any internet-enabled location in the event of a major disruption.